Hello friends, I'm very pleased and I'd like to appreciate current council for this unique initiative to say goodbye to Dr. Zine in this beautiful way. Class 2008 to 12, we definitely have a lot of memories with Sandeep Zine sir. He'll also have a lot of memories alongside us. He was class teacher for our batch once. He was the part of a study tour alongside his family. Every sports and cultural event also he was part of it. While we say goodbye to Dr. Zine sir, what I remember is anytime when we entered the college, we always had this face, smiling, white smiling face, who will welcome us, who is there for to talk, anything, let it be personal, professional, any level, and he was always there for us. On behalf of class 8 and 12, and on behalf of Council 2012, I'd like to say all the very best to Dr. Zine sir. Do great, shine bright.
Hi, I'm Ashok Ramakrishnan, and I was the General Secretary of the Student Council for the year 2012-13. Thinking about that year, 2012-13 was a really remarkable year since we had a good team. We've won many trophies, accolades, and awards, and including the best college trophy, which itself is a great achievement. And the reason for that is, of course, the students, the council members, and the professors involved in the council. And with this regard, it is important to mention Zenis's contribution since he was an important liaison between the student council and the management. Talking about Zenis sir, well, he was a person who would understand the students' level of the needs and the requirements and would nicely communicate it to the management, be it for college purposes or any events. He was a really good advisor, really student friendly, someone whom you can talk to freely, fearlessly, and also someone whom you can rely on. And that is what you need when you look for a professor to be a part of the council. So thank you, sir, for all the help. And on behalf of the entire council of 2012-13, I wish you all the very best for your future endeavors. Do keep in touch. Cheers.
Hi everyone, this is Gaurang Tendolkar, General Secretary Batch 2014-15. Thank you for giving me an opportunity to talk about Zine sir and represent my entire batch here. So talking about Zine sir, the foremost thing which comes in mind is definitely the way he used to balance between his two roles, one being the mentor of student council and one being his teaching profession. So when I say he used to maintain balance, so what do I mean by maintaining balance is when it comes to student council, he used to always support us, no matter what activities we plan. He used to back us. He used to mentor us for those particular activities. He used to always give us some consideration. But when it came to lectures, attending lectures, when on the teaching side of Zine sir, so inside the class, it was never that we were some student council students or special consideration were given to us. So that never happened to us. So back then we used to think that even after being student council mentor, we are not getting any special consideration from Zine sir inside the class. But when we joined this particular corporate world, the one thing we realized is that was absolute professionalism by Zine sir, and now when we realize it, we definitely think that what Zine sir did back then was definitely correct. So thank you Zine sir for always being with us, always supporting us, always mentoring us. So a very big thank you from entire student council of 2014-15. So I was part of the next council as well, but being the GS of one council, so I'll just say thank you sir for being the mentor to us, and all the best for your next journey, and thank you sir.
Very good evening. Got to know about that you're leaving Westcop and it will be your last spectrum this year. First of all, sir, for others, those who don't know me, my name is Aditya Thakur. I joined Westcop in year 2012. I became the class representative in year 2015, and later then went on to become General Secretary in the year 2016. And all of this is possible because of the great mentor and leader of our student council, Mr. Sandeep Zine, or I may say Dr. Sandeep Zine, who is now, going from Westcop and joining the other institution. What can I say? A very good mentor, very good leader, guided my path at every step. As you can see, I'm already in a blazer. So the first time I had worn a blazer, it was in my first spectrum as a GS, and I never knew that because of all this experience, this will become an integral part of my life, that I have to wear it every day and every now and then in a meeting to experience people. General Secretary position and the being in a student council actually taught me a lot, which helped in my career. I went on to become the medical associate in GlaxoSmithKline and worked there for over 3.5 years. And currently I am the brand manager in one of the leading disinfectant company, Microgen Hygiene Private Limited. So I think in this good career path, all of the contribution is from all the decisions I have taken, and the man responsible behind it, Dr. Sandeep Zine, he guided through all the path. He had helped me in all the decisions making, handling situations. And I secretly know, sir, that you had recommended my name for Best Westcopian in front of all the faculties. And apart from the votes, you were the one person who pushed my name in front of the faculties. So thank you for all the support you have been there. And definitely, sir, this is your last spectrum, and as I am nearby, I'll definitely come in this spectrum to visit you. So maybe while this video is being played, I will be there in the crowd to give you a video adieu farewell. Thank you so much, sir, and all the best for your future journey. We'll meet soon. Thank you, sir.
Hi everyone, my name is Prem Parmar. Those who all don't know me, I was elected as GS in the year 17-18. Talking about Zine sir, he's a very supportive person, and both in a kind, he's a friend to everyone those who approaches him. I think other than Zine sir, no one else would have managed student council that well the way he is doing. Sorry to everyone, but I feel so. I remember one incident when we and my team went to all the other faculties with a new idea, and none of them showed much interest in it. But then when we went to senior sir about the idea, so sir was like, "Karenge na," and that kind of positive attitude which we get from the senior sir. Yeah. So about the GS thing, I think it's a phase of the body, and more than the post, the journey which we experience during the post with that post is altogether a different experience, full of hard work, challenges, and a lot of fun. In my tenure, it was fun for me, and yeah. Acha chalo, not taking much of your time. Best of luck, Jay, and the team for the upcoming event Spectrum. Thank you. We love you, Jine sir.
Hi everyone, I'm Anushka. I was the student council president in 2018-19. The council has been a very, very important part of my life since the second year, and in a way, I've actually grown with the council. It has taught me a lot of things, but most importantly, how to converse well with people. And Zine sir has been the strength and support of the council since the very beginning. And I think the best part about him is that he would give us total freedom to make decisions. He would never stop us from doing things the way we wanted to do. But having said that, he would always ensure that we went by the book and we followed every rule that there was to follow. He would even encourage faculty members to be a part of all the council activities, and he was always so enthusiastic about us organizing events throughout the year to mark all the important dates on the calendar. And in a way, it was his enthusiasm that motivated us to organize events throughout the year and keep doing better and better. After every event, Zinesa would actually send us a message on the council group saying he was so proud of how we had organized it and how it was a success. And it was these little things that kept motivating us throughout the year and kept the positive morale of the council. Even during Spectrum, he was always there for us whenever we needed. He would make phone calls to the people who were in charge of the stage and the other setup to ensure everything gets done in time. I've actually experienced this even when I was the magazine secretary, and there was a time when we were not sure that we would get the magazines in time for Spectrum. But Zine sir made a few calls here and there and actually ensured that all the magazines were printed and delivered to us right on time. So this is like he's always been there to back us up. And one of my most cherished memories about Spectrum is that after the event, everyone was congratulating Zine sir about how it was such a huge success. But he didn't take the credit for himself. He just pointed to me and he said, "This was not me, this was the council." And I think that sums up the equation because the council loves Zinesa just as much as Zinesa loves the council. And in all these years, presidents have come and gone, but there has been one constant in the council, and that has been Zine sir. So, sir, on behalf of the council, I just want to thank you for everything you've done for us and every situation you've helped us handle. Like, I knew there were times when I was so tensed about some issue or some situation, and I knew I could just go to the sixth floor cabin. I just had to pull out a chair, sit down in front of you, and discuss it with you. And somehow, after every discussion, I would have a solution. I would feel more relieved and relaxed. And I really want to thank you for all your support throughout and wish you all the very best for your future endeavors.
Hello everyone, my name is Sahili Kharkar and I was the Student Council President for the year 2019-20. I would like to start by saying I hope everyone has been safe and healthy during this pandemic and is continuing to do the same. And also a very happy Spectrum Day to you guys. Though it was not very long ago for me personally, I really miss Spectrum, and a major part of the excitement for me was to be in the Student Council organizing it. I think every Student Council member can agree with me when I say that there is a sense of pride and responsibility that comes with it, and that has molded my personality in countless ways. And a major credit of that I would attribute to Zine sir. Zine sir has been the heart and soul of council for the past 10 years, and he has indeed been a pillar of strength for every council member. And I have witnessed this for all my 4 years of council. And though my daily interaction with him began when I became the president, but for the first 3 years I saw firsthand the value and experience he brought to the table. From permissions to problems, Zine sir was the one-stop solution for everything. And I remember this one instance where Zine sir really helped us out with the police permission, which was getting really difficult. And when we went to him and approached him with it, he solved it in a matter of days. And that's the kind of person he has been for us, solving problems firsthand and coming up with solutions that are effective. And I always experience this sense of a burden being lifted off my shoulders whenever I express certain problems the student council was facing. It was always like, acha problem hai, theek hai, what to do about it, how to go about it. And that is something I have also cultivated in my personal life, and that has helped me in my professional career as well. And I would really like to thank you, Zine sir, for that. And I think everyone can agree with me when I say Westcop will truly miss you, sir, especially the student council, and I wish you all the best for your future. Thank you.
Hello guys, my name is Jay Jutani and I am the president for the Westcop Student Council for the year 2020-21. Talking about council, I would have never thought that I would be in this position in my first or even in my second year. But now I can proudly say that this has been one of the best decisions that I've made here at Westcop. And council has taught me a lot of things, and the council means a lot to me. Managing everything, handling all the events, and also balancing with the academics. These are few things that the council has taught me, and what most importantly it has taught me is that how to grow people skills, how to grow as an individual. And I can say that I've grown with the council, and I think all the GSs can agree with this, that when they hear the word council, they would surely remember of that big smile on Zine sir's face. Definitely, the council is going to miss Zine sir as he is going to join BNCP. But sir, all the best for your future journey. Zine sir has always been like a support system to the council. Never ever I have ever heard Zine sir denying a new idea or a new initiative from the council, even when the council members didn't believe in that idea, but Zine sir did, and those ideas did amazing during Spectrum or for any other event that the council has organized. Even in my first year, Zine sir has helped me a lot. He's molded me, and it is because of him that we are able to organize events in the online mode as well. Avinash sir, all the best to you too, because you will be the one who is going to carry on his legacy, and I know that it is a lot to take, but I think I am very privileged to have worked with Zine sir and Avinash sir together at the same time. So all the best for your future journey at VS, and I hope that the student council will be as same as it was with Zine sir over these years. Thank you so much for this, Zine sir. Wish you all the best. Thank you. After every successful event of the council, Zine sir used to be the one who he would just come and he used to take the mic and he used to say that 3 cheers for council, hip hip hooray. So sir, this Spectrum is unfortunately the last event that you would be having from the council. So I think after this Spectrum, maybe we can have this last hip hip hooray from you. Thank you sir so much, and all the best for your future endeavors. Thank you.